Why is it screaming like that? Bro, it sounds possessed. It's getting louder! Bro, your alarm has anger issues. Why is it running? Because it refuses to let us sleep. It dodged the trap? Bro, your alarm is an athlete. It's trying to kill us or wake us forever. Why is it louder? It's water-powered now. This is the worst morning ever.
We're not even awake yet. I got it, I think.
Don't let it breathe. Bro, did it just move? Nope. Throw it away. Now.
Run, bro, run!
I hate mornings.